Hello my friends, welcome to Kids Study Station. Today we are going to learn different sounds of ch digraph. So let's get started. Digraph means two letters make one sound. Doesn't matter there are two vowels, two consonants, or one vowel, one consonant. If two letters make one sound, then those two letters are called digraph. Now let's learn about ch digraph. There are three sounds for the ch digraph. First one, ch. Ch as in chat and chair. The second sound is sh. Sh as in chef and machine. And the third one sound is k. K as in arc and take. It's a little bit confusing. Now, a big question is, when should we use ch or sh or k sound? If the ch digraph make sh sound, if the word is from Spanish, Italian or French. In other words, you can say if the word's origin is from these countries, then the ch digraph sound as sh. Now, ch digraph sound as k if that word's origin is from Greek. It means we have to learn all these languages to learn the ch digraph? Absolutely not. There are only few words which makes having ch digraph which makes sh or k sound. Most of the words in the English make ch sound only. So let's read some words having ch digraph but makes sh and k sound. Ch digraph makes sh sound in chef, charlotte, machine, brochure, parachute, chiffon, shoot, crochet, Chicago, cache. Here, ch digraph makes k sound, as in arc, take, ache, school, scholar, stomach, zucchini, echo, chemistry, Christmas. Excellent! Today you have learned different sounds of ch digraph and also read lots of examples too. Again we'll meet in our next lesson. Till bye!